Good morning and Merry Christmas. I wanted to wish everybody a very, very happy and safe holiday. Christmas is a time of giving, and I would not be here if I didn't have such great supporters like all of you and the people that really looked out for me this year. So I wanted to take the time to give them a couple of shout outs. I will have all the links to all their businesses down below. So if you are interested, please look down below, take a look at who they are, maybe just a subscribe, a like, an Instagram thumbs up, whatever you kids do nowadays. Go check them out. Please, it really helps their channel and it helps my channel, and it will make you feel a lot better about the Christmas season. So first and foremost, Jimmy Void, Sit Down Talking Truth. We actually built a knife together that was one of his designs, and it was very, very successful. The Void 1 is completely sold out. The Void 2 is still available. So if you want the Void 2, go to 3riverblades.com and check out that knife. BX Bricklayer, the Dominicki Show. If you like Italian goofball funny stuff, go check out BX Bricklayer. All right, I'm going to put the link down below. He's on TikTok, Instagram. He's also on YouTube. His YouTube channel just started, so go over there and give him a subscribe. All right, it is the season of giving, and a subscribe doesn't cost you any money. Forget about it. Really Big Monkey 1. Really Big Monkey 1 has always been a friend of mine for at least 10 years now. Excellent outdoorsman, woodsman, bushcrafter. Check out his channel. Give him a like. I know he's got 1 million subscribers, but he really helped put the 1.7 on the map. We worked something out where I was able to give him a 1.7. And since then, the 1.7s are flying off the shelf. If you don't know what the 1.7 is, it's an amazing machete. I still have them in stock. If you want one, buy it now, because once I run out, I'm not making any more. Thank you very much, Really Big Monkey 1. Big Dick Ballistics. Okay, I can't say enough. If you like fun and guns, this is where you got to go. This guy is hysterical, all right? So he makes shorts, he makes longs. Check out his channel, guys. It's hysterical. He does a lot of gun stuff, a lot of product reviews, but he's also very comical in the way he goes about it. Big Dick Ballistics, it says it in the name. Go ahead, check him out. Really good, funny dude. I'll put the link down below. Also, give him a subscribe. Andrew Jones, thank you, Andrew Jones, for supporting me this year on my holster business. He did a lot of product reviews on holsters, so if you are a Kydex person, someone that likes Kydex, go ahead, check him out as well. He does a lot of product reviews. Really good dude. His channel just started, so please give him a subscribe. Stretch Tactical, I can't say enough about Stretch Tactical. Ken has been a friend of mine, a trainer, and a teacher of mine for a very long time. He's also trained me on a lot of different tactics, and I had him on the channel a few times where we were talking about gun laws in New York City. Very knowledgeable, over 26 years in law enforcement, and he's a tactical trainer. If you are in the New York, New Jersey, or Connecticut area and you want tactical training, check out Stretch Tactical. I will put his YouTube channel link down below. Couple people that may not have a YouTube channel, but I'll try to link their businesses. Jamie Radvac Photography, go check her out. She's the one that also did my website, but she does all photography photos, and if you have family photos, that kind of thing. And again, if you live in the New York area, I would definitely check it out. I'll put her links down below if you're interested in getting your family photos for the Christmas season, for next season, whatever season. Outstanding person to work with. She's always available, and just send her some emails and she'll definitely hook you up. Aldo, New Jersey Steel Baron. Come on, guys. I'm a knife guy. I build knives. I collect knives. Aldo has always been good to me. I just spoke to him recently. His son is running the business now, and he's doing a fantastic job. If you need blade steel, someone's always asking me, where do you buy your blade steel? New Jersey Steel Baron, NewJerseySteelBaron.com. All right, just go there. You can put a link. You can buy everything online, on the internet, throw in your credit card. He'll ship it. No big deal. All right, so go get your steel from New Jersey Steel Baron. Also, understand that he does water jet cutting, so if you need your blanks cut, that's also a great place to go. I'll put his link down below. Also, a couple personal shout outs. Jesse Mack does all my Cerakote, so thank you very much, Jesse. You've helped me out tremendously over the years and did all my Cerakote, and I can't thank you enough. He does not have a link, I'm sorry, but I just wanted to shout him out. Also, Doug from Torqued Up. Doug used to have a YouTube channel. He no longer has a YouTube channel. But thank you very much, Doug. You've been a tremendous friend, a tremendous advocate for Three River Blades and all the products that I do. So I really, really appreciate that. I wanted to thank JB. JB, thank you so much for the car show, for all your support. You've always been there for me and my family. Thank you very much for bringing your kids here and making knives and all that great stuff. Also, I want to thank Kevin. Kevin's been also a long friend of mine. He lets me hunt his property, and we have a great time while we're out there. The kids really enjoy it. So personally, thank you very much. And I also wanted to thank my family for letting me do this. It's very difficult to run a couple businesses plus work a full-time job and have a family, and it also takes away a lot of time from the kids, which I really don't like, but it's necessary to make this happen. So I really appreciate my family for supporting me. All right, and lastly, I wanted to thank my Patreon supporters. So my Patreon supporters, if you're not a Patreon member, it only costs you $1 a month. You get to watch the videos a little bit earlier, and it helps support the channel. So Mark, thank you very much. JD, Jimmy Void, Stephen Hunter, thank you. Jim Lee, Todd, Elizabeth, Jake Warren, and Jamie. Thank you very much, guys. You really helped out the channel. You know, I know it's not a lot of money. You think like, oh wow, it's you know, $1 a month on the regular. It's $1 a month, guys. All right, you spend more than that for your coffee. It really adds up, all those little pennies and cents. And I wanted to thank all of you guys, all my subs, all my subscribers, everybody that tunes in and watches this video every single time. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe. Check out all the links down below to my other channels as well if you're interested. If you're into blades, you're into holsters and kydex making, or if you're into survival, I'll have all those links down below, along with all the people I just mentioned. But again, I want you guys to have a very safe and happy holiday. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. Everybody out there, please stay safe.